Picture this: sunshine on the Tunisian coast, palm trees swaying in the breeze, and a giant resort that promises to keep you entertained from breakfast to bedtime. That is the setting for TUI Magic Life Africana, a 5-star all-inclusive property tucked into the Yasmine Hammamet area of Hammamet, Tunisia. It sits at BP 48 Yasmine Hammamet and has built up a solid reputation among sun-seekers who want plenty to do without ever needing to leave the resort. With over 1,000 reviews on TripAdvisor and a respectable 7.8 score on Booking.com, this place clearly leaves an impression. So let us take a closer look at what guests can actually expect when they walk through the doors. Starting with the rooms, TUI Magic Life Africana is set up as a large family-friendly resort, so it offers a broad range of accommodation options to suit different types of travelers. While the official room list is not publicly detailed in a granular way, guests generally have access to standard double rooms, family rooms designed for parents with children, and larger suites for those who want a bit more breathing space. Many of the rooms come with a balcony or terrace, which is a lovely touch when you want to sip your morning coffee and look out over the gardens or the pool area. Reviewers have described the rooms as spotless and comfortable, which is honestly one of the most important things you can hear about a hotel. Clean rooms make for happy guests, and happy guests make for great reviews. In terms of features, you can expect the usual essentials like air conditioning, a private bathroom, a television, and enough storage for a family-sized suitcase collection. The style leans toward bright, breezy, and Mediterranean, with light colors and simple furnishings that suit the sunny climate. For families, the interconnecting rooms and larger family units are particularly popular, giving parents a bit of privacy while keeping the kids close. Accessible rooms are also available for guests with reduced mobility, though it is always worth double-checking with the hotel directly to confirm the specific features. Overall, the rooms are designed to be functional holiday bases rather than luxury showpieces, and most guests seem perfectly content with that balance. Moving on to the food and drink, this is an all-inclusive resort, and that means dining is a big part of the experience. The main restaurant typically operates as a large buffet, offering an enormous variety of dishes across breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Guests have consistently praised the food selection, calling it fresh, healthy, tasty, and generous in quantity. You will find international favorites sitting alongside Tunisian and Mediterranean specialities, so whether you fancy grilled meats, fresh salads, pasta, seafood, or local stews, there is usually something to catch your eye. There are also themed nights where the buffet takes on a specific culinary identity, which keeps things interesting across a week-long stay. For picky eaters or children with fussier tastes, the variety is genuinely reassuring. Beyond the main buffet, the resort also features a selection of specialty restaurants where guests can book in for a more relaxed sit-down meal. These venues typically focus on cuisines like Italian, Asian, or grilled specialities, giving you a break from the buffet rhythm. The bars scattered around the property are another highlight, ranging from poolside spots where you can grab a cold drink between swims to lounge bars that come alive in the evening. Cocktails, beer, wine, soft drinks, and coffee are all part of the all-inclusive setup, which means you never have to worry about pulling out your wallet for a refreshment. Service across the food and drink venues has been described as welcoming and friendly, with staff who genuinely seem to enjoy their work. That warmth goes a long way when you are on holiday. The pools and beaches are arguably the crown jewels of TUI Magic Life Africana. There is an outdoor swimming pool complex that features multiple pool areas, and guests have raved about the sheer variety of water features on offer. You will find pools for relaxed swimming, family pools with shallower sections perfect for younger kids, and even fun water slides that keep both children and playful adults thoroughly entertained. One guest simply said the pools and slides were really fun, and sometimes that kind of straightforward praise says it all. There is also a hot tub for those moments when you just want to sit back, let the bubbles do their work, and forget about the outside world. Loungers and umbrellas are plentiful, though as with any popular resort, early risers tend to secure the best spots by the water. The beach access is another strong selling point, with Yasmine Hammamet Beach just steps away from the property. Reviewers have described the beach area as nice, with soft sand and gentle waters that suit both swimmers and paddlers. It is the kind of Mediterranean coastline that makes you understand why people fall in love with Tunisia as a beach destination. Whether you want to lay out with a book, take a long walk along the shore, or dip into the sea for a swim, the beach delivers. Water activities are typically available in the surrounding area, including things like pedal boats, paddle sports, and other seasonal offerings. For guests who want that classic sun, sand, and sea combination, this resort truly ticks the box. Activities are where TUI Magic Life Africana really earns its reputation, because this is a resort built around keeping guests active and entertained. The selection of activities has been described as huge, which is a fair summary once you see what is on offer. Sports facilities usually include tennis courts, football pitches, volleyball, table tennis, and beach games, meaning there is always something to get involved in if you are the sporty type. Fitness enthusiasts have access to a gym, and there are typically scheduled group classes throughout the day covering everything from aerobics to stretching sessions. Even if you are not the fittest person in the world, joining in on a class or two adds a fun social element to the holiday. It is the kind of place where you can accidentally get in the best shape of your life just by joining the fun. The animation team is worth a special mention here because guests repeatedly single them out for praise. Reviewers have described the entertainment staff as superb, hard-working, and always happy, with one guest specifically remembering a member of the team who made them laugh until they nearly forgot they were going home. That is the kind of personal impact good animation staff can have. Daytime activities include games, dance sessions, and organized group fun, while evenings often feature live shows, music, and themed entertainment. Cultural touches such as Tunisian nights or local performances give guests a taste of the country beyond just the beach. All in all, boredom is not really something you need to worry about at this resort. The spa and wellness offering at TUI Magic Life Africana adds another dimension to the holiday, particularly for guests who want to balance the busy activity schedule with some quiet self-care time. A dedicated wellness area typically includes a sauna, steam room, and a range of massage and treatment options. Whether you fancy a deep tissue massage after a day of tennis, a relaxing facial, or a traditional hammam experience that draws on North African bathing traditions, there is usually something to soothe both body and mind. The hot tub also offers a simple form of hydrotherapy for anyone who just wants a warm soak without booking a formal treatment. It is the kind of setup that turns an active holiday into a proper reset. For guests who prefer a gentler approach to wellness, yoga and stretching sessions are often included as part of the daily activity roster. These sessions typically take place either outdoors near the pool or in a dedicated space, and they are a lovely way to start the morning. While the resort is not marketed as a detox or medical wellness destination, the combination of fresh food, plenty of exercise, and access to spa treatments makes it easy to leave feeling healthier than you arrived. Booking treatments in advance is generally a good idea, especially during peak season because the spa can get busy. For many guests, the wellness facilities become an unexpected highlight of the trip. Because this is a family-friendly resort rather than an adults-only property, the kids' clubs and activities deserve their own spotlight. TUI Magic Life Africana typically runs a full program for children of different age groups, with dedicated spaces where the little ones can play, learn, and make new friends. Younger kids often have access to a mini club with supervised games, crafts, and organized fun, while older children and teenagers get their own hangout areas and activities suited to their interests. The animation team extends its energy into these programs, which means kids get the same enthusiastic entertainment that the adults enjoy. For parents, this is a genuine lifesaver, giving them the chance to relax by the pool or book a spa treatment while their kids are having the time of their lives. The children's pool areas with their gentle slides and shallow sections are another huge draw for families. Kids can splash around safely while parents keep an eye on them from nearby loungers, and the water slides in particular tend to become the favorite feature for younger guests. Family-friendly entertainment in the evenings, such as mini discos and themed shows, ensures that the whole family can enjoy activities together. It is the kind of environment where kids come home tired, happy, and full of stories about their new best friends. For working families looking for a holiday that keeps everyone entertained, this ticks a lot of important boxes. The location in Yasmine Hammamet also puts guests within reach of some interesting nearby attractions. Yasmine Hammamet Beach is essentially right at the doorstep, so that daily dose of Mediterranean coastline is always on the menu. Carthageland Amusement Park is another local attraction that families with kids often love, offering rides, themed areas, and a fun day out away from the resort. The broader Hammamet area is also known for its old Medina, its markets, and its blend of Tunisian culture and coastal charm. A short trip into the town center gives guests a chance to browse for souvenirs, sample street food, and experience life beyond the resort walls. For anyone flying in, Enfidha Hammamet International Airport is the main gateway, and it is reasonably close to the resort, making transfers straightforward. Guests who want to explore further can also take excursions to places like the historic ruins of Carthage, the blue and white village of Sidi Bou Said, or the capital city of Tunis, all of which are within reach for a day trip. Golf courses in the Yasmine Hammamet area attract keen players, and there are shopping options at nearby marinas and centers. All in all, while the resort offers plenty to keep guests occupied on-site, the surrounding area rewards those with a bit of curiosity. Taking a balanced look at the overall picture, TUI Magic Life Africana comes across as a solid, well-run, all-inclusive resort that delivers on the fundamentals. Its booking.com score of 7.8 with over 100 reviews, combined with more than 1,000 reviews on TripAdvisor, tells us this is a well-known property that most guests leave feeling satisfied with. The strengths clearly lie in the friendly staff, the entertainment team, the huge variety of activities and pools, the tasty and plentiful food, and the beachfront location. Guests consistently mention how welcoming the team is and how much energy the animation staff bring to the daily program. Rooms are described as spotless and comfortable, which is always a strong foundation to build a good holiday on. On the flip side, no resort is perfect, and this one is best suited to guests who enjoy a lively, activity-packed environment. One reviewer honestly noted that this is not the place to go if you are looking for peace and quiet, which is a fair warning to anyone hoping for a silent retreat. As a large resort catering to families and active guests, there is often plenty of buzz, especially in peak season. However, if you go in with the right expectations, that liveliness becomes part of the charm rather than a drawback. It is a resort for people who want to have fun, meet others, and stay busy, and it delivers exactly that. The unique selling points really come down to the combination of things you get in one package. Very few resorts in this price range offer such a huge activity program, a genuinely impressive animation team, multiple pools with water slides, a beachfront location, and a full all-inclusive food and drink setup all together. The TUI Magic Life brand is built around this active, sociable holiday concept, and Africana is a strong example of the formula in action. For families in particular, the value on offer is hard to beat, especially when you factor in the kids' clubs and family-friendly infrastructure. It is a resort that seems designed to make holiday memories rather than just provide a bed and a buffet. While detailed information on dedicated events and conference facilities is not widely publicized for this property, large resorts of this scale typically offer some meeting rooms or multi-purpose spaces that can be used for group events, family celebrations, or small business gatherings. Guests interested in organizing something specific would be best off contacting the hotel directly to discuss availability and setup. That said, this is primarily a leisure destination rather than a business hub, so the focus really is on holidaymakers rather than corporate travelers. Finally, the guest experience highlights come through very clearly in the reviews. Time and time again, guests mention the warmth of the staff, from the wait team in the restaurants to the housekeepers keeping rooms spotless. The animation team gets called out by name in reviews, with one guest fondly remembering a particular team member who made the whole holiday more fun. Little touches like the freshness of the food, the cleanliness of the rooms, and the sheer enthusiasm of the entertainment crew add up to a holiday that feels genuinely cared for. For working families who save up all year for their break, TUI Magic Life Africana offers the kind of experience where you leave feeling like you actually got your money's worth. And in the end, that is exactly what a great holiday should feel like. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.